Imagine a young boy. He is quiet. He is thoughtful. His name is Albert Einstein, born in Ulm, Germany, in 1879. He was not like the other children. He spoke late, worrying his parents, Hermann and Pauline. Yet there was a quiet intensity in his gaze. He would not accept the world as presented. He needed to know the why. At 5, his father showed him a small wonder, a pocket compass. The needle trembled yet always pointed north. Nothing visible pushed it. An invisible force, real and constant. His first glimpse of hidden architecture. That moment planted a seed. The world became more than surfaces, fields and forces, silent and unseen. While others played, he imagined riding a beam of light, the birth of thought experiments. This way of seeing would one day unlock space and time, but first he had to find the language to express it. School felt confining. Freedom came in another language, not words, but symbols. It was the language of mathematics. Max Talmy nurtured his hunger with science and philosophy. Geometry's clean logic felt like sacred truth. He devoured books. Algebra's power thrilled him. He taught himself calculus, far ahead of the drills around him. Numbers became notes in a cosmic symphony. Math and physics became his escape and his passion. He sensed these tools could explain the world, planets, light, and the fabric of reality. He entered the Zurich Polytechnic but remained no model student. He followed curiosity into labs and journals, a rebel with a cause, understanding the universe on his own terms. That independence would soon lead him to greatness. After graduating, the brilliant young physicist found academia closed. His defiance and questions won few allies. Jobs did not come. He scraped by as a tutor, mind overflowing with ideas. A friend's father helped him find steady work. Not at a university, but at the patent office. He examined inventions, clear, practical thinking by day. The work left him time to spare, and to think. He returned to the questions that haunted him, chasing beams of light. He joked his desk drawer was a bureau of theoretical physics. Inside lay his secret calculations: space, time, energy, matter. Invisible to academia, he was about to shake physics to its core. His greatest work was born not in grandeur, but in the quiet of a government office. In 1905, his Annus Mirabilis, 4 papers changed everything. Each could have secured his legacy. Together, they announced a revolutionary voice. He explained the photoelectric effect. Light behaves as particles, quanta. He confirmed atoms were real. He dared to question Newton's fixed space and universal time. What if you could ride a beam of light? A paradox emerges. His answer: special relativity. Space and time are not absolute. They are relative. On a fast train, your time runs slightly slower than your friends on the platform. Then came the most famous equation: mass is concentrated energy. In 1915, general relativity: gravity is curved spacetime. Objects follow the straightest paths in a bent cosmos. As his fame rose, darkness gathered in Europe. Targeted as Jewish and a pacifist, he was smeared for his so-called Jewish physics. His life was no longer safe. Intellectual freedom gave way to fear and brutality. In 1933, he learned his Berlin home was ransacked. He could not return. He renounced his citizenship and joined the Institute for Advanced Study. America became his refuge. He stayed the rest of his life, a symbol of exile's cost. He became a U.S. citizen, grateful, yet clear-eyed about its flaws. Persecution made him sensitive to injustice, especially America's racial discrimination. His journey warned that even genius is vulnerable to hatred and prejudice. He was famous and used that fame. After 2 world wars, he championed peace and disarmament. His equation unlocked atomic energy. Fearing a Nazi bomb, he urged U.S. research, a choice made in desperation. The bombings filled him with regret. He warned the world of nuclear danger. He fought racism, calling it America's worst problem. He spoke truth to power. He advocated global cooperation, even world government, to prevent war. A scientist who cared profoundly about the human equation. Einstein died in 1955, but his spirit of wonder lives on. His legacy is how we see the universe. Reality can defy common sense. A universe stranger, more beautiful, more mysterious. Time can slow. Space can bend. Stars can collapse into nothingness. He opened a door. We explore the rooms beyond. His influence reaches far beyond labs. He became a symbol of genius. Yet his tale is human. A child who never stopped asking questions. From GPS to black holes to the Big Bang, we live in his wake. The echo of his brilliant mind calls us forward, into the unknown.